The Art of Understanding PSLE English Comprehension with 1-2 Tuition.
Let's dive into learning. A comprehension guide. Sample comprehension passage excerpt.
It was just before dawn when Michaela tiptoed into the kitchen. The floorboards creaked under her feet, but she ignored them. Today was her grandmother's birthday, and Michaela had woken up early to prepare her a surprise breakfast. She quietly sliced fruit and arranged them in a colorful pattern, just the way her grandmother liked.
Factual literal question.
What time of day was it when Michaela tiptoed into the kitchen?
It was just before dawn.
Inference.
Why did Michaela tiptoe into the kitchen? She was trying to be quiet so she would not wake her grandmother, as she was preparing a surprise breakfast for her.
Referencing. She ignored them. What does the word them refer to? Them refers to the creaking floorboards.
Sequencing. Indicate the order in which the events occurred in the story.
1. Michaela sliced the fruit. 2. The floorboards creaked. 3. Michaela entered the kitchen. Sequence 3, 2, 1. True or false? Based on the passage, state whether the statement below is true or false, then give one reason why you think so. Michaela was making a regular breakfast for her grandmother. False. She was preparing a surprise breakfast.
Stick with me because the complete set of questions is coming up. While you wait, take a moment to like and subscribe. Our channel is packed with resources to help your child excel, not just in English, but in mathematics and science too. Let's now turn our attention back to the questions and work through the rest of the set.
Cause and effect. What was the cause of Michaela ignoring the sound? The floorboards creaked under her feet, but she did not want to alert her grandmother to her presence. Before, after. What happened immediately after Michaela ignored the creaking floorboards? She quietly sliced the fruit and arranged them in a colorful pattern.
Vocabulary in context. Find a word from the passage that means walked carefully and quietly. Tiptoed. Applied vocabulary. Based on the passage, describe Michaela's feelings in one word and explain your choice. A suitable word would be thoughtful. The passage shows she woke up early and carefully prepared a surprise breakfast, arranged just the way her grandmother liked, which demonstrates her consideration for her grandmother's happiness. Personal response. Based on the passage, what might Michaela's grandmother's reaction be when she sees the surprise breakfast?
Michaela's grandmother would likely feel happy and touched by her granddaughter's thoughtfulness. The passage mentions that Michaela prepared the fruit just the way her grandmother liked, which shows how much Michaela cares about her. This would make the grandmother feel loved and appreciated. Comprehension crisis? The secret's in the caption. The learning continues. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on what's next. What's your biggest takeaway? Drop it in the comments below.